Hi everyone, my name is Praneet. As recently I got some news under the post. I saw something like NVIDIA is launching some courses free of cost, and I went through it, I checked it, and I thought of explaining it to you all guys. Those who are in the bachelors, they can go and check it as I'm dropping the links below in these videos too. There are multiple courses. Let's see one of them for today. I will see it, I will show you with the help of the screen recording. Thank you. Watch it. So I just registered it, and there's some simple question like they will be asking the email. It's better to give your university email and go through it. Then after that, I made an account where we will be getting the course. Like I just clicked on, just if you click on the link which I will be posting it, then this course will be launched here when you create an account. Then just start here. After starting here, we will be opening a collab, and just after opening the collab, we will be checking over here. So it's basically a neural network program, how to build a brain in 10 minutes. So let's see, those who are beginner, it's beginner friendly, and this is gonna take some 10 to 12 minutes. So let's go and explore this. What did they give us? So in the first section, they are telling us to building a brain in 10 minutes. And this video is gonna be for everyone. Those who are not from computer background, they can do or they can check out from this. And it's simple. Now we are on the Google Colab. It's a Google Colab. When you click on the link over here, you will be automatically directed to the next tab, and this is the Google Colab, Building a Brain. It's a deep learning institute, building a brain in 10 minutes. So let's see. And guys, those who are for new, it's a self where we will be running, where we will be writing the code, and if we click on this, it will be run. So we'll see line by line what did they say. Many decades ago, artificial network was developed by mimic and learning the capabilities of human except machine learning. So basically, they have imported one video with the help of Python, and we are using the Python for building this. So let's see. We'll run it. Run anyway. And by default, we have selected T4 processing power. Like we will be having GPU for programming. Now we have run this cell, we got the output as this. How we got the output? Like we have imported from the python.display, importing a YouTube video where we have displayed this link. Here we'll see.
In the 1950s and 60s, scientists built a few working perceptrons, as these artificial brains were called. He's using it to explore the mysterious problem of how the brain learns. This perceptron is being trained to recognize the difference between males and females. It is something that all of us can do easily, but few of us can explain how. To get a computer to do this would involve working out many complex rules about faces and writing a computer.
So in this video, I'm pausing it, you can check it. In this video, this they are showing us like if we need to train a data, or if we need to train any of the algorithm, we will need to give them a data, or then we need to train it. Like if we need to classify a man and a woman by giving an image, first we need to train a data. Like we need to show multiple images of women's faces, then the another set of men's faces, then it will be classifying it. So let's see. Like now is the main part. This is the main part of the topic. Like we need to import the TensorFlow as TF. Here we will be using physical GPU, where we are using the T4 GPU, as this will be helpful for us for processing the program. So let's import the TensorFlow, and TensorFlow is not a big thing. It's a Google's library for programming. Here we have imported and checked it. Now here we can see the data. Speaking of graphics, we are going to tackle the challenges of seemed almost impossible to get image classification with the computer vision. Here we are using computer vision, in which we got multiple clothing images. I will just zoom in, sorry. Here we got the dresses, the t-shirts, here are the jeans and the pants. Here multiple. Here we can see the footwear section too. Here we got shirts, here we got shoes and the sneakers. Here we got handbags and purses. Here we got boots. So these are the images which we'll be using for training the data. and we'll see together. Like fashion MNST, this is the training data set. We will be inputting it. So let's send the images and label. Just we will run it. So it's downloading the data. Here we are using MNIST dataset where fashion equal underscore MNIST dot load data. Here we will be loading the data from this dataset, and here it's completed. Now import matplot. Matplot library is a library in which we will be using it for displaying the data in the graphical or the image format. So let's see, run the code, import matplot. Here guys, you can see it's a graphical image. What pattern do you see here? It's a shoes kind of pattern, I think. Here it's a shoes. Let's go here and check. Here we got the items over here. Here it would be in this part. It's in this part, last set of data. So what would you classify this is as? So it's a shirt, top, trouser, pull over dress, coat, sandal, shirt, sneakers, bag, ankle boots. Here these are the 9 categories of data we need to classify. Here we will be using train label data IDX. Here we will be labeling it as data underscore IDX. Let's run this program and see what will be the output. Here, here is showing there are 9 data types. Well, shirt, trouser means there are 9 types of things. So we will be checking. So this will be of about, here this question number 2 quiz, feel free to change up to 999. So the dataset which we have imported have 9999 images, so we can choose any of them. So the by default image is 6174. Let's see what its image is. So we are loading the image. Yeah, it's a shoe. Let's see by checking the image. Another image. We got 999 images, so we'll check another. Just check. Uh, we'll go with 9001. Yeah, it's a shirt. So we will go with the shirt one. What did they say? Here we have defined data IDX validate label. We will be getting a label data. Here we got 6. So we got 6. So we'll check with the 6. What is that? Data underscore IDX. We'll go with this 6. Perfect. It's working like it's a shirt. Guys, you have done 70% of the work here itself. It's identifying. Perfect thing. Now we need to build a neuron. Here it's showing building a neuron. Neuron are the fundamental building blocks of a neural network. Just like how biological neurons send the electrical impulses under the specific stimuli, artificial neural network. Here it's a biological neural network. Neuron, this is the cell, this is nuclear axon. Let's see 28 list with 28 values. Here we have loaded. Here I will show you what it is and how does it look. So show the data. Here, what did you see guys? Here these are the pixel values, don't get confused between. Here 0 tends to look like there are dead pixels, there are no pixels, it's a 0. Let's see, they have given us a note here. Yeah, here you can see 0 will be a black pixel where there will be a no color or nothing will be there, and the 255 will be assigned as a weight where we can see the multiple colors. And here for full equation becomes y equals to y theta into 0 plus w1s and plus, here the values get added, and here you can see the pixel where it is more focused on. Here we got this one, and let's check the image. Here the data is like this. It's more focused on this part and it's less focused on this part. Let's check how does the image. Yeah, perfect, same. It's a shirt, that's why. So we'll check the number of classes they are given. There are 10 number of classes. Actually we got the 10 number of classes, where we can see here it's 10 number of classes. Again, sorry, we are here. Now after that running, we got 10 number of classes. Input shape with dimension of a data in case 28 into 28 pixels for each image. So the second, if model, we need to get a model command classes. Here 28 by 28 is the shape of an image. Here we have passed as an input. Just a second, we will run and verify the model. Here we got the output shapes 7841 and the dense is 10. So non-trainable parameters are 0. Trainable parameters are 7850. Total parameters are 7850. Okay. So the image height and image width in standard format is 28 by 28, which we are using over here. So let's check. Yeah, we got the value of images. So our weight make up 7840 parameters. Where do other 10 come from? Which 10 neuron base is equals to b is equals to y is equal to mx plus b is our equation. Here we got the input number shape, the image 28 by 28, output shape none 784. Here the dense, here the input is like we didn't give any kind of input, so that's why it's showing none. Here the main part of neural network, it's input layer, and here it's the output layer. If there is one layer inside it, it can be called as the hidden layer, hidden neuron layer. So the main part comes here. Now we will initiate training. So let's initiate the training. Here model compile optimize Adam. Here matrix is equals to accuracy. Here we are running the model training process. So we'll see how does it work. So we are using 5 epochs for training the data. So the model accuracy is 79%. Here we got to see it's 79%. Here we trained our model. Now we will predict it. One by one R is done. We got the values over here. Now we'll see data.idx below. See the model predicts against various images. How do you think? So let's get check how does the value. Now here we will see the values for. Now just we don't know, we each other don't know anything like what this is. 8675 images of. Let's check. Here the 865 images is of correct answer train label data. So it's a shared kind of thing, I think so. So it's a correct answer. In conclusion, congratulations on completing notebook. I think we need more data or more things to know the initial part of, as it was just a 10-minute course. So we got the basics of this neural network. So we'll check whether what was this thing given here. The correct answer is 6. We got 6 here, and the 6 is shirt. Perfect. I predicted it like that. Here it's a 6. We got it over here. So let's check with the another image. Let's check how accurate it is. Let's check with the image number. Let's check one for her. Enter. So the image is 9. Okay, the 9 is goes for shoes, I think so. Yeah, it's ankle boot. Don't know. We'll check with pull what kind of things are those. 4,444. It's something three. I don't know what's three. Where is that three? Yeah, it's three. It's a dress. So guys, this way we have completed the basic neural network program in which how to create a brain. So we have created a small initial amount of first stage of the NLP neural network. Sorry, we'll check it. So we have perfectly run this, and this is the course given by NVIDIA, building a brain in 10 minutes. That's not the shortest or the longest one, but it's basic for the one who are beginner, and this is the beginner video. From this you need to start with all the subs. So let's see, we will try to upload another videos of this, the next part of building brain in 10 minutes. We'll see another longer version if I get anything idea or anything. So guys, keep supporting. Thank you. And I will be uploading the video recently, and then I will be posting the links in the description of the video. So guys, get checked of these videos. Thank you. Program. So let's import the TensorFlow, and TensorFlow is not a big thing. It's a Google's library for program code. Have 9,999 images. So we can the X validate label where we will be getting a label data. Yeah.